Hi, my name is Kathryn Marshall, and I'd like to tell you about the research I did this past summer. This summer, Dr. Ralston and I spent a week in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. We were out in the field mist-netting some birds, which is the method of catching birds. There are these giant thin nets that the bird will fly into, get slightly tangled up, and we extract the bird. I usually take a blood sample, I band the bird, we'll take its weight measurements, its beak length, and let it fly away. And this sort of method is a great way to really get some hands-on contact with a live bird instead of a specimen per se. It's also a great way for me to learn about the different species that are out there.
Birds are really good model organisms to study for lots of different ecological reasons. Birds are good what we call indicator species. Because it's relatively easy to go out in the field and to observe a bird relative to other types of species, they're often used as this indicator of things that might be going on in the environment. And so birds have this history of study to detect things like climate change or other types of environmental disturbances. And so we study birds to see how their distributions are changing and what that might mean about climate change and all species in the environment. I think research is, first of all, the best teaching tool. It really teaches students what biology is, but also importantly, it teaches them what it would be like to be a biologist.
I love the biology department because it's a great community. I love seeing what my fellow Bells are researching. I love interacting with a variety of professors in different courses. I love that we have our biology comp, which seems a little bit intimidating, but it's like a giant science fair project. And at the end of the year, we have Bell Biology Day, where everyone is presenting their research, and we're all just so proud of each other and so interested in what we are doing. We're not alone in this journey into the crazy science world, but we're all women in science and we're all ready to go out there and make a difference.